This is Surface Pro. Better, faster, smarter, and one of Microsoft's Copilot Plus AI PCs. Has the most flexible laptop been reimagined? Let's unbox it and find out. Welcome to Expert Zone, where we dive into everything Microsoft. It's Ty here. I work with Microsoft, and I'm pretty damn excited to take a first look at the Surface Pro, the 10th generation of Microsoft's original two-in-one laptop and the next stage in PC technology. So you might be wondering, why is this device such a big deal? Well, there are lots of reasons. Not only do we have a new box, new colors, new accessories, but what I'm introducing to you today is the first ever Surface Pro Copilot Plus PC. It's a bit of a mouthful. It delivers unmatched power, lightning speed, and responsiveness never before possible on a PC. With 45 trillion operations per second, Surface Pro can optimize unique AI experiences and incredible battery life, all in an ultra-flexible, ultra-thin, ultra-light design that can replace your tablet or laptop. So what are the first impressions? The entire design of the box has been completely updated. The colors are the first thing you notice, with the Surface logo at the front and center. This box is more sustainable than ever. There's no plastic wrap, and it's paper-based this time around. It also opens way easier with an indentation at the front for a one-finger lift. So let's dive into what you can expect in the Pro box. Inside the box, you'll find the Surface charger, which magnetically connects to the side. You'll also find your very important paperwork, warranty information, and quick start guide. It's all in there. The last cool thing to note about the updated packaging is that it's more eco-friendly than ever before, with the most recyclable design from Surface yet. So here is the Surface Pro, and I can already feel how lightweight it is at under 2 pounds. Surface is known for premium build quality, and Surface Pro is no exception. Straight out of the box, it looks premium and it feels premium. And there are 4 different color options depending on availability. You've got Platinum, Black, Sapphire, and Dune, and all with a premium metal finish. And a quick note for eco-conscious viewers, Surface Pro is more sustainable than ever, containing a minimum of 72% recycled content. Alongside premium quality, there are 2 thoughtful design points that make a difference for this generation of the Pro. So much thought has gone into the finish to minimize fingerprints and smudges during use, which is great news if you're constantly using the 165-degree kickstand for flexibility at any angle, or if you're tired of seeing fingerprints on your touchpad. That would be me. Earlier I mentioned the recycled content, but you can really see Microsoft's thoughtful push towards sustainability without sacrificing quality. With recycled aluminium, plastics, stainless steel, and magnets, plus Surface Pro has multiple replaceable components, maximizing the life of your device. But what about the screen? So let's focus on that crispy 13-inch display for a moment. For the first time ever, you can choose between a Pro with an LCD touchscreen display, as we're used to, or an OLED touchscreen display, both with Microsoft's PixelSense Flow technology. Now, OLED is renowned for vibrant colors, sharper contrast, and fluid motions on the screen. Just look at that smooth scroll. Now, this is a big deal, as this gives you more contrast, color, and brightness for better daytime or nighttime viewing, and it's available on higher spec devices as well. With OLED, you'll see a difference between contrast ratio and HDR brightness. Yet both LCD and OLED displays include support for HDR and Dolby Vision IQ-coded content. When we think about content, we need to think about ports. Surface Pro has 2 USB-C 4 ports with support for docking, charging, or using accessories like the Surface Thunderbolt 4 dock, so you can power a desktop setup if you really want to. For flexible working and traveling, the portable design comes with optional nano SIM port for 5G and Wi-Fi 7 for fast and stable internet connection on the go, which is fantastic for those virtual calls and meetings. And that leads us nicely onto the camera. In fact, Surface Pro has 2 cameras, a 10.5 megapixel rear-facing camera with autofocus and 4K video support, and an HD front-facing camera with an ultra-wide field of view. Now, wide angle is great for demonstrating props, doing a live demo, or if you're at home and want to show your colleagues what your cat is up to, or your kids, whatever you prefer. The front-facing studio camera is AI enhanced, so it can work with AI-powered tools to present the best version of you on every call and in every meeting, like the AI-powered Windows Studio effect. My favorite studio effects so far are portrait light that will brighten your face no matter your environment, giving you almost a ring light effect, and creative filters for a fun and artistic way to express yourself using illustrated, animated, and watercolor filters. Automatic framing is also really impressive and great for expressive individuals. Now, it adjusts to keep you central in the frame, no matter how often you move or point to things around you. Studio effects are built into the camera, so they work in any video calling app on your Pro, not just Teams, even though we really love Teams. But to understand how these features and other AI experiences work with Surface Pro, we need to talk about the processor. There are 2 available chipsets for Surface Pro when configuring your device. These chipsets are built by Qualcomm, and they're the 12-core Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite and the 10-core Qualcomm Snapdragon X Plus. The Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus are ARM processors that will power the next generation of Copilot Plus PCs. They are designed to be the most powerful, intelligent, and power-efficient processors of Windows 11 in their class and include an industry-leading NPU. Now, while we've seen NPUs on Surface before, we've never seen them like this. These chipsets are a game changer. NPU is your superpower. It's the processor that powers advanced AI capabilities on Pro. And because these unique AI experiences are built in, that means you don't even need the internet to find files, adjust your camera filters, or simply complete your tasks in ways that are more natural and intuitive. And the NPU is just one of the components powering Pro. Let's not forget the blazing fast CPU, making it the most powerful 2-in-1 on the market. So, what does that mean for performance and battery life? Well, not only does Surface Pro now have a bigger battery, but because it's powered by NPU technology, it means higher performance with less power consumption, so you can enjoy more hours of video playback before you need to plug in. With the NPU taking the load off the CPU, you can keep going, keep watching, keep working, and your laptop won't overheat on your lap. Imagine that on a flight. How good would that be? Pro can deliver truly all-day battery life. Then, with supported fast charging, you can get from 0 to 80% in just over an hour. No more waiting to charge, being tethered to a wall. You can wake up, plug in your Pro, get ready for work, and your laptop will be ready to go as soon as you are. Did you know, on average, people spend 8 hours per week searching for files and websites they previously visited? Maybe it's an article you read, that restaurant menu you were looking at the other day, or the show that your friend was telling you to watch. Now with Recall, you can revisit anything you've done on your PC. Just describe how you remember something and it'll retrieve the moment you saw it, saving you time so you can get back to other things. Okay, if you're a fan of Surface Pro, you'll know it can replace your tablet and your laptop. And now, we're introducing a keyboard that means you can work more comfortably than ever before. The Surface Pro Flex Keyboard. Let's see what makes this a Pro must-have. The all-new Surface Pro Flex Keyboard is game-changing for Pro because for the first time, you can use your keyboard detached and it will still be connected. Unlocking new levels of flexibility. And it has unbelievable battery life, so you can set up anywhere. Imagine being able to still use your keyboard shortcuts when designing with pen or simply typing only with the keyboard on your lap. Great for a flight. The Flex Keyboard also has a wider haptic touchpad for easier navigation and a new adaptive touch mode, so if your hands tremor or you're using different parts of your body to navigate, you get precise navigational control. This keyboard is the quietest Pro keyboard we've ever seen. It's so quiet that your midnight typing will be less of a distraction. It also features the Copilot key, so you can have quick access to your personal AI companion. When clicking into Surface Pro, the Flex keyboard connects seamlessly and keeps your slim pen always visible and ready to use. Speaking of pen, let's talk even more about the Copilot Plus AI experience. With Pro, you can get creative in Paint Co-Creator that generates your ideas alongside your text and drawing prompts in real time so you can watch as your ideas come to life. It's actually really cool. And what you can achieve with Pen doesn't stop there, as Ink Anywhere now supports multiple languages and is now available anywhere on Surface Pro. And with up to 15 hours of technical use and wireless charging on the Flex keyboard, you can experience all the advanced features that make the ink flow more naturally anywhere you can type in Windows. Alright, so that's Pro. First impressions are that Surface Pro, a Copilot Plus PC, will be fantastic for customers who work, create, design, anywhere and everywhere. If you are constantly trying out new ideas and workflows and need a powerful PC that will give you the answers you need and fast, then this is for you. Think about it for a second. Need to find those meeting notes fast? Just ask Copilot. In fact, ask Copilot to summarize your notes and send them out to everyone in the meeting while you prep for your next big idea. Draw an outline with your slim pen, feel the haptic feedback, and watch Co-Creator give you different variations of your design that you can then present in your next meeting. There is so much to get excited about when it comes to the powerful 2-in-1, the possibilities with an OLED display, and the flexibility of using Surface Pro Flex keyboard detached and still being able to use your keyboard shortcuts. Surface Pro is the beginning of the next wave of Surface, where our new AI era meets the premium Surface Pro experiences you know and love.